Have you ever wondered what makes Seoul one of the most vibrant cities in the world? The answer lies in its unique blend of modernity and tradition. A cityscape where towering skyscrapers stand side by side with centuries-old palaces and temples, where high-tech innovation and ancient customs coexist harmoniously. Seoul, the heart and soul of South Korea, is a city that never sleeps. It's a city that pulses with an energy as vibrant as the neon lights that illuminate its bustling streets, an energy fueled by the ceaseless rhythm of its inhabitants and their unyielding zest for life. It's a city where every corner holds a story, every alley a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. As we delve into the soul of Seoul, we'll explore its iconic landmarks, each a testament to the city's rich history and cultural heritage. We'll indulge in the culinary delights that abound in its diverse food scene, from bustling street food markets to traditional Korean barbecue restaurants. We'll immerse ourselves in the city's rich tapestry of cultural experiences, visiting museums, art galleries, and cultural centers that showcase the depth and breadth of Korea's heritage. We'll take you on a virtual shopping spree through its vibrant markets, introduce you to the city's modern architecture, and give you a glimpse into the local hangouts that give Seoul its unique character. And amidst all the hustle and bustle, we'll also find moments of tranquility in Seoul's serene parks and along the scenic Han River. But our journey wouldn't be complete without a look at Seoul's advanced transportation system, a marvel of modern engineering that connects every corner of this sprawling metropolis. Whether by subway, bus, or the iconic color-changing taxis, getting around Seoul is a breeze. So, are you ready for an adventure? Because Seoul is not just a destination, it's an experience, an endless journey of discovery and exploration. It's a city that invites you to immerse yourself in its rhythm, to become a part of its story. Stay tuned as we embark on a captivating journey through the soul of this dynamic metropolis. Seoul is a city that's brimming with history and culture, and its landmarks tell a story of a country that has beautifully preserved its past. Take, for example, the Gyeongbokgung Palace. This majestic edifice, the largest of the 5 grand palaces built during the Joseon dynasty, is a testament to the grandeur of Korea's royal past. Its name translates to the palace greatly blessed by heaven, and truly, the palace's intricate architecture and serene gardens are a sight to behold. Did you know that it was built in the year 1395 but was destroyed during the Japanese invasions and later restored in the 19th century? It's a symbol of resilience and a testament to Korea's enduring spirit. Now, let's turn our gaze to the skies, to the iconic Seoul Tower. Standing proudly over the city, this tower is more than just an observation deck offering panoramic views of Seoul. It's a beacon of modernity, a symbol of Seoul's rise as a global city. The tower was first opened to the public in 1980 and has since become a popular spot for locals and tourists alike, especially lovebirds who leave locks on the tower's fences as a symbol of their everlasting love. Last but not least, we have the Bukchon Hanok village. Nestled between Gyeongbokgung Palace and Cheongdeokgung Palace, this charming village is a time capsule. Preserving the traditional Korean way of life amidst the hustle and bustle of the city, the village is home to hundreds of Hanoks, traditional Korean houses that date back to the Joseon dynasty. Walking through its narrow alleyways is like stepping back in time, providing a stark contrast to the city's modern skyscrapers. These landmarks not only define the skyline of Seoul, but also narrate the city's rich history. From the royal grandeur of Gyeongbokgung Palace, to the modern allure of Seoul Tower, and the timeless charm of Bukchon Hanok Village, Seoul's landmarks are a testament to a city that has seamlessly blended the old with the new. They are stories etched in stone and metal, waiting for you to discover and appreciate. No journey to Seoul is complete without indulging in the city's diverse culinary scene. Picture this, you're wandering the bustling streets of Myeongdong, one of Seoul's most popular food markets, where the air is rich with the sizzle of grills and the enticing aroma of traditional Korean dishes. The vibrant chatter of vendors fills the air as they artfully prepare delicacies that are as much a feast for the eyes as they are for the palate. Now imagine sinking your teeth into a hot, crispy horyok, a sweet pancake stuffed with honey and nuts, savored by locals and tourists alike during the cold winter months. Or perhaps you'd prefer something savory. A plate of tteokbokki perhaps. Soft rice cakes and fish cakes bathed in a fiery sweet sauce that will set your taste buds alight. But Seoul's culinary delights extend beyond its street food. The city is teeming with traditional Korean barbecue restaurants, where you can experience the joy of grilling your own meat right at your table. Picture yourself hunched over a hot grill, the scent of marinated beef wafting up to your nostrils as you eagerly anticipate that first bite. With a piece of succulent samgyeopsal or three-layered pork belly, wrapped in a fresh lettuce leaf topped with a smear of spicy samjang sauce, the flavors explode in your mouth, a perfect harmony of smoky, spicy, and fresh. And who could forget bibimbap? This iconic dish, a colorful medley of sautéed vegetables, meat, and a sunny-side-up egg atop a bed of fluffy rice, all mixed together with a dollop of spicy gochujang sauce, is a testament to the balance and harmony that is at the heart of Korean cuisine. Then there's kimchi, the soul of Korean food. This fermented cabbage, tinged red with chili pepper, is a symphony of flavors, spicy, tangy, and refreshingly crisp. It's a staple at every meal, a constant companion to every dish. From the humble street snacks to the grand feasts, every bite in Seoul is a journey through the city's rich history and culture, a flavor-packed adventure that will leave you craving for more. Indeed, the way to Seoul's heart is through the stomach. Seoul is a city that pulsates with artistic expression and is a shopper's paradise. Immerse yourself in the rich heritage of Korea by visiting its museums, art galleries, and cultural centers. Seoul's museums are treasure troves of history, brimming with artifacts that tell tales of times gone by. Explore the National Museum of Korea, a testament to the country's resilient spirit and enduring culture. Wander through the Seoul Museum of Art, where contemporary aesthetics meet traditional influences, creating a visual feast that transcends time and space. Art galleries in Seoul serve as platforms for creativity, showcasing the works of both emerging and established artists. Spaces like the Daelim Museum and Arario Gallery are not only repositories of art, but also catalysts for artistic dialogue and innovation. Experience Korea's vibrant performing arts scene with a Nanta show or a performance at the National Theatre of Korea. Nanta, a non-verbal comedy show that uses traditional Samul Nori rhythm, is an exhilarating blend of music, comedy, and drama that transcends language barriers. On the other hand, the National Theatre of Korea is the cradle of Korean performing arts, hosting a variety of performances from traditional Korean music and dance to drama and opera. Now let's embark on a shopping adventure. Seoul is a city that never sleeps, and this is especially true in its bustling markets. Dongdaemun Market is a haven for fashion lovers, offering everything from high-end designer pieces to affordable trendy items. Whether you're hunting for unique fashion finds or K-pop merchandise, Dongdaemun has something for everyone. Insadong, on the other hand, is the perfect place to discover traditional Korean crafts. Wander through its labyrinth of shops where you can find beautiful hanboks, intricate celadon pottery, and delicate paper crafts. Don't forget to try the street food along the way, adding a delicious dimension to your shopping experience. From cultural immersion to retail therapy, Seoul offers experiences that cater to every taste and interest. So are you ready to explore this dynamic city that seamlessly blends the old with the new? Seoul is a testament to Korea's rapid advancement and its deep-rooted respect for nature. Journey across this city and two aspects immediately stand out. Its soaring modern architecture and the tranquil natural spaces that dot the urban landscape. Seoul's skyline is a testament to its embrace of the future. Structures like the Dongdaemun Design Plaza, a blend of traditional and modern architecture, ripple across the cityscape like a metallic wave. This futuristic, neo-futuristic structure is a beacon of Seoul's innovative spirit, a space that fosters creativity and the exchange of ideas. But Seoul isn't just about steel and glass. It's also about green spaces where locals and visitors alike can escape the city's hustle and bustle. The Namsan Seoul Botanic Park, for instance, is a lush oasis amidst the urban sprawl. Here you can wander through tropical rainforests, explore a Mediterranean garden, or simply sit back and enjoy the view of the city from atop the park's hill. Equally enchanting is the scenic Han River that winds its way through the city. Day or night, the river is a hub of activity. You might see locals picnicking by its banks, cyclists whizzing along its paths, or even paddleboarders gliding across its surface. And let's not forget one of Seoul's most impressive achievements, its transportation system. Efficient, clean, and punctual, the city's subway and buses are a marvel of modern engineering. Even the taxis are a sight to behold, their iconic, color-changing lights adding a dash of whimsy to Seoul's streets. Seoul's modernity doesn't just lie in its architecture or its infrastructure. It's in the city's ability to balance the fast pace of urban life with the tranquility of nature. It's in the harmony between the old and the new, between tradition and innovation. It's in the seamless blend of the high-tech and the organic. In Seoul, you'll witness the perfect harmony between rapid urbanization and serene nature. This city is a testament to the possibilities of the future and the enduring power of the past. In Seoul, the modern and the natural coexist, creating a cityscape that's both vibrant and calming, dynamic and peaceful.